Day 1. Unpacking its meaning and usage. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into a common English phrase you might have heard or read somewhere, Day 1. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning, context, and how to use it naturally in your conversations. Day 1 often refers to the very first day of a particular event, situation, or timeline. It's the starting point, the kickoff, the very beginning of something. For instance, the first day of a job can be referred to as Day 1 at the new job. When someone begins a new habit, like exercising or dieting, the first day of this change can be described as Day 1. Apart from the literal interpretation, Day 1 is also used figuratively in English. When someone says, "She has been my friend since Day 1, they don't necessarily mean from the exact first day they met. Instead, it emphasizes the long duration and trustworthiness of their relationship. The phrase here captures the essence of loyalty and consistency. It's like saying, from the very beginning, she has been there for me. To help you understand better, here are some sentences where Day 1 is used. 1. I've been with this company since Day 1, and I've seen all its ups and downs. 2. I knew from Day 1 that this was going to be a challenging project. 3. He's been my Day 1, we've been through a lot together. From these examples, you can see the phrase can denote both a literal time frame and a sense of trust or loyalty. To diversify your vocabulary, here are some synonyms or similar phrases to Day 1. 1. From the beginning. 2. From the get-go. 3. From the outset. 4. From the start. Each of these phrases can be used in different contexts but hold a similar core meaning, referring to the start or inception of something. Alright, there you have it. A comprehensive breakdown of the phrase, Day 1. Whether you're talking about the start of an event, emphasizing the duration of loyalty, or just recounting an experience from the very beginning, this phrase is versatile and widely used in English. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we encourage you to start using Day 1 in your daily conversations. Until next time, happy learning!